few customers in the line. Let's ask one of the ladies who's present here. What's your name, ma'am?
Sonia.
Sonia.
Yeah.
So are you standing here? Have you come for the first time to the Reliance?
Yeah, this is my first time.
Okay. Is it your first time standing in a long queue to go inside a supermarket?
Yeah, this is the first time.
How do you feel standing in a queue?
Because of the situation, I'm okay. Because whatever situation is going on right now, yeah, I'm totally okay with that.
All right. Yeah. So you comply with the rules and the safety rules.
Yeah.
Yeah. So how has the lockdown affected you personally?
Me personally, yeah, I'm okay with that because they are doing fast only, okay? For that, I'm okay. No
You're
problem.
Okay. So you study or do you work?
I'm walk.
You work.
Yeah.
Has your company declared off to like you're sitting at home and working, or do you go to the office?
Sitting at home and working.
You're sitting at home and working. Thank you so much, Sonia. Hello everybody, this is me Noor Zahira and you all are watching Go Hush Bangalore. Tonight we are standing at the Reliance Mart, and as you can see all the crates where there are banners and flyers of apparently the prices of different fruits and vegetables, but then you see the carts, there's absolutely nothing. There's a few kilos of apples, and that's it. That's the only fruit right now that I can see right here, and there is some sun melon and there's tender coconut. Apparently, let me take you through a tour and let's ask the store manager how has people's panic buying and hoarding been like through this lockdown, and how the stacks in the supermarket has been going really empty and vague. This place that you see is apparently the food, snacks and beverage section, where apparently there's just a few milkshakes penned left here. You can see that that's only milkshakes. There's apparently nothing on this side. There's no chips, there's no snacks, and here behind me there are no eggs, there's no refreshments or condiments or anything of that sort. Let us go through the vegetable section and see how badly has the lockdown affected. So coming through the vegetable area, there is enough vegetable, but there's not it's not in the same quantities. As you can see, again the essential commodities like potatoes and onion is a little less. There's just 4 crates of onion and there's just 4 crates of tomatoes, which apparently considering the queue standing outside right now, I think this will be done in like matters of minutes. So let us go through other few sections like the toiletries and the sanitizer areas and how that stacks have been affected. So with the COVID-19 panic, this is supposed to be the rice area. With what I can see out here, there's atta, there's rice, and there's different kinds of attas. Apparently all I see is nothing, and then just there's few bags of basmati rice. There's apparently no stock right here because people have panic bought it or hoarded it from the store. The stacks are absolutely empty. Even on the other side, when you see there's supposed to be suji and different kinds of mixes, instant mixes for breakfast, which usually a lot of techies and college going students buy, but then that too is empty. It's a very sad thing to say it, but people have actually taken the lockdown very seriously and have actually thought that it will be continuing on for a lot of longer term, and they've panic bought a lot of things and have hoarded a lot of things. To our surprise, the sanitizer and the toilet rolls and what else, soaps and detergents, all this area is absolutely clean. There's not even a single packet except for 1 packet of Rin. There's absolutely nothing here, and then there are like hardly an 8-packet box of biscuits. Even on this side you see there are very few packets of hand wash left and absolutely no soaps left here. People have even panic bought a lot of toiletries and groceries that people are continuously shopping and stacking it up in their homes. Let us see to other places what has it been like. Milk seems to be the biggest issue of the lockdown. You can see here there's a big fridge right here, and apparently it's empty. There's 0 packets of milk that's available for public, and speaking to the store manager, he told that the moment the milk is in, it goes away in like a few minutes. Let us talk directly to the store supervisor or the manager and ask him about how things are functioning hand in hand with a lot of other pressures that they must be facing regarding stock availability or stock even production and distribution of the stock from the godowns to the stores. तो हमारे साथ है यहाँ पे रश्मि रंजन, तो ये सिक्योरिटी में है यहाँ पे रिलायंस की, तो इनसे पूछते हैं आप कैसी सिक्योरिटी प्रोवाइड कर रहे हो कस्टमर्स की?
आते क्यू में आते कस्टमर और हम टेम्परेचर चेक कर रहे, फीवर भी चेक कर रहे और सैनिटाइजर सबके हाथ में दे रहा है और जो मास्क नहीं पहनता है उसको एंट्री नहीं करते हैं अंदर। और 97 से ज़्यादा हुआ था।
में कितने कस्टमर्स अभी लॉकडाउन के बाद ज़्यादा हो गए या कम हो गए?
लॉकडाउन के बाद तो सुबह इतना ज़्यादा नहीं होते, शाम को लेकिन बहुत ज़्यादा होते हैं, उसको संभालना थोड़ी मुश्किल हो सकता है।
जी, तकलीफ बहुत ज़्यादा होती है पब्लिक को क्राउड मेंटेन करने में।
नहीं, हम जो बोलते हैं पब्लिक सुनता है।
कोऑपरेटिव है।
हाँ, कोऑपरेटिव है और ऐसे हमारी बात सुनता है।